Welcome to another video in our series, Technology Accelerators for Business, how to identify and set up internal lead management processes. So the role of internal lead generation is how to establish an eyes and ears campaign and recognize and reward your key contributing employees. Again, bearing in mind, marketing is a game. How to take someone that's a complete stranger and customers and prospects that are literally in your backyard that you drive by all day, every day, and turn them into a paying customer requires an understanding fundamentally of the awareness aspect of the processes that need to be installed to make sure that you don't drive by them anymore, and you can then begin marketing to them once you capture that information. So let's talk about the processes to do that. Again, increasing the awareness of who you are and what you sell and service is a fundamental mix of online and offline strategy. In this case, we're talking about something offline. It's how to take your existing employees and reward them for some activities. Let's take a look at what that looks like. The main goal of this process is how to identify, first and foremost, the people and the processes you need to put in place, how to capture the information and record the records, and then how to act on those records, how to complete them, how to put the records into a CRM system for some additional follow-up activity. This is a visualization of what the process can look like. You have transport trucks, you've got sales reps driving around, you've got other employees driving around. You want to funnel this into a systematic way of identifying very simply and easily a way to write something down, turn it into your company, and then have someone internally or even outsourced make a phone call to perform the prospect research. They can ask questions. Do they have any machines? If so, how many? Do they have a pain? Would they like something immediately? And then give the lead to the sales staff and then record the information into a follow-up marketing process. This is a physical example of a tablet we used to use. Every employee had these, and they would simply write here the company's name, the city. They would be turned in internally. We would use an online repository to round out the rest of the information, physically call them, ask them questions about how many machines they had. We recorded all the names and addresses, preparing this for import into a CRM system, captured their email addresses. We would ask them how many trucks they had, how many forklifts in this case, and we also tracked by branch and technician and then rewarded them accordingly each quarter, giving out prizes for the most number of forms turned in, total number of forklifts turned in, and then we came down here with the total smokestacks turned in. More importantly, 7,000 machines that were in our backyard we had no record of. Great program to jumpstart your sales efforts. Then you take the information off of that spreadsheet and you import them into an email marketing program. There's generally an import feature on all of them. Then once that's imported into your database, you set up a follow-up sequence. You pre-write a welcome sequence. You can design a custom interval schedule. And that's basically how the process works. So thanks so much for your time. If you have any questions, we'll give you a free step-by-step guide on how this works. Make it a great day.